Imagine working hard for years, yet never feeling financially secure. The paycheck comes in, and before you know it, poof, it's gone. You're stuck in the cycle of surviving, not thriving. Why? Because of 4 common but devastating money mistakes that keep millions broke. Today we'll break them down and, more importantly, show you how to escape the trap. So if you don't want to spend your life worrying about bills while the rich keep getting richer, watch till the end. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Living like you're rich before you actually are. As Robert Kiyosaki wisely noted in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, too many people spend money they haven't earned, to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. 70% of people who overspend to maintain appearances face chronic financial stress. It's a trap that leaves you financially shackled while chasing approval. Overspending to maintain appearances doesn't just drain your wallet, it suffocates your financial freedom. It's like running a race with weights tied to your ankles, exerting effort but going nowhere fast. By curbing the urge to impress and redirecting your resources towards meaningful investments, you pave the way for lasting financial independence. Wealth isn't about flashy displays, but about securing your future and achieving true freedom. As you make these changes, consider this. Would you rather be the person who looks wealthy or the one who truly is? Number 2. Ignoring investing, thinking you'll do it later. Let's be real. How many times have you said, "I'll start investing when I earn more," or "I'll do it next year"? The truth? That next year never comes. This delay is one of the biggest money mistakes keeping people broke. Every year you wait, you're not just losing time, you're losing compound growth. The magic that turns small investments into massive wealth. As Morgan Housel said in The Psychology of Money, good investing isn't about earning the highest returns. It's about earning pretty good returns for the longest period of time. Why does this mistake ruin your financial future? Because time is the only thing in investing you can't get back. Don't wait for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. Every day you delay investing, you're throwing away future wealth. Think of money like a tree. Plant it early and it grows into a forest. Number 3. Not tracking where your money goes. Imagine 2 friends, Alex and Jake. Alex earns $5,000 a month but spends recklessly, while Jake earns $3,500 but tracks every dollar, saves and invests. Fast forward 10 years, Alex is drowning in debt. While Jake owns a house, has investments, and is financially free, the difference? Tracking and controlling money. Start by using budgeting apps, reviewing bank statements, and setting spending limits. People like Michelle Schroeder Gardner, who was once drowning in student debt, turned her finances around simply by tracking expenses. Now she earns millions through smart money management. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, investing. Think of your finances like a GPS. If you don't track where you're going, you'll always be lost. Number 4. High income is not equal to wealth. Earning a 6-figure salary doesn't make you rich. Keeping and growing your money does. Yet, so many people fall into the trap of thinking, "I make good money, so I must be wealthy." Wrong. Wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and invest. A doctor earning $250,000 a year but spending it all on luxury cars, vacations, and debt isn't wealthy. Meanwhile, a teacher earning $60,000 who invests, avoids debt, and builds assets can retire a millionaire. A janitor who earned modest wages but invested consistently and left behind $8 million. The lesson? Wealth is built through smart money habits. Save aggressively, invest in appreciating assets, and control lifestyle inflation. Don't just make money, make it work for you. Number 5. Ignoring financial education. 76% of adults lack basic financial literacy skills, leading to poor money management and missed opportunities. John, who graduated with top honors but never learned to balance a budget or invest wisely. Now he finds himself overwhelmed by financial decisions he doesn't understand. John's story highlights the critical gap between academic success and practical financial knowledge, a gap that affects millions worldwide. How can we expect to thrive in a world driven by money if we never learn how to manage it effectively? Financial education isn't just about numbers, it's about empowerment and control over your financial destiny. Rich mindset invests in continuous learning and seeks out financial knowledge. Poor mindset ignores opportunities to grow. Commit to lifelong learning. Start with basic personal finance books, online courses, or workshops. Build a solid foundation of financial literacy. Number 6. Neglecting emergency savings. What would you do if faced with an unexpected expense tomorrow? Are you prepared? Emergency savings aren't just for emergencies. They provide peace of mind and financial stability during uncertain times. Rich prioritizes building reserves for emergencies. Poor lives paycheck to paycheck without a safety net. Neglecting emergency savings can lead to financial stress, debt accumulation, and derailment of long-term financial goals. Start small, but start today. Aim to build an emergency fund equal to 3-6 months' worth of living expenses. Automate savings to make it a habit. An emergency fund isn't an option, it's a necessity. Secure your financial future by preparing for the unexpected. Number 7. Relying on one source of income. David, a hardworking software engineer. He earned a comfortable salary and believed his job was secure, until one day his company announced layoffs. Overnight, he went from financial stability to panic mode. 40% of Americans struggle to pay for basic necessities within a month of losing their job. Having only one income source is risky in today's unpredictable economy. David's story is a wake-up call. No job is 100% secure. Relying on a single paycheck is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. If your primary income source vanished tomorrow, how long could you survive without financial stress? Income diversification provides financial security and the freedom to take risks, invest, and build long-term wealth. Start a side hustle in your spare time. Invest in assets that generate passive income, like dividend stocks or rental properties. Number 8. Not understanding the power of compound interest. If you invest $500/month from age 20, earning 8% annually, you'll have $1.4 million by 60. If you start at 40, just $300,000. Waiting cost over $1 million in lost gains. Compound interest rewards those who start early. The difference between starting at 20 versus 40 is not just 20 years, it's the lost exponential growth. Are you letting time work against you by delaying investments? You don't need to be rich to start investing. Small, consistent investments over time outperform large, delayed ones. Time is the most powerful wealth-building tool. The earlier you start, the less money you need to invest for huge returns. The best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't wait. A Harvard study found that procrastination costs people an average of $9,000 per year in lost financial opportunities. Start with what you have, even if it's small. Take one step today. Invest, save, build a skill, and stop overthinking. Done is better than perfect. Wealth isn't about luck or high salaries. It's about avoiding these traps and making smarter money choices daily. Question for you. Which of these mistakes have you made? And what's one thing you'll do differently starting today? Comment below. If you like this video, give me score out of 10. If you give me less than 8, then tell me where I can improve. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep growing.